Hi, I'm Mr. Getz, and I want to welcome you to the Freshman Academy Assembly. We've been spending a lot of time reaching out to struggling students in our current reality to see how we can help. And, and we also see there's a lot of you that are out there who are really working hard, and, you're finding some level of success throughout everything you're doing. We want to thank you for all the hard work you're doing and all the responsibility you're taking on. We want to take this time then to recognize some of that hard work, and with 20 gift cards to say goodbye to 2020. And so please listen for your name as Ms. Kosfeld and Ms. Moran get ready to give out some awards.
First winner, and Mrs. Moran, where is Reilly going?
A Starbucks gift card.
Congratulations, Reilly Hague, going to Starbucks. All right, next gift card is to where?
Burger King.
Burger King, gift card number 2. Who's going to BK? Morgan Gandy, congratulations, Morgan. Next gift card, where are we going?
Daily Bean.
The Daily Bean, Vernon's very own Daily Bean. Kailey Vogel heading to the Daily Bean. Enjoy. Mrs. Moran, where are we going next?
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell, yum. Who doesn't like Taco Bell? No one. And Gabriella Tavares is going to be enjoying Taco Bell. Congratulations. Where are we going next?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin', one of my personal favorites. Can't go wrong at Dunkin'. Nick Decker, enjoy your Dunkin' Donuts. What's up next?
We are going to Starbucks again.
Starbucks. Josh Gelfand heading to Starbucks. I'm sure you can find something yummy there. And next,
Burger
King
King.
Is for
Burger King.
good old BK. Home of the Whopper. Wyatt Oberer is going to BK. Congratulations, Wyatt. Next gift card is to
Daily Bean.
another Daily Bean. Coffee and yumminess. Nina Borges. Have fun at the Daily Bean, Nina. Next gift card.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Tyler Enering going to Taco Bell. Enjoy. That sounds yummy to me. Next gift card.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Another Dunkin'. Boston cream donuts. They're the best. Makenna Thomas. I don't know if you like Boston cream, but you'll be enjoying something yummy at Dunkin'. What's next?
Starbucks.
Starbucks. I feel like Vanna White. Katie Petak enjoying some Starbucks. Congratulations. Next gift card.
Burger King.
Burger King. Duke Staley going to Burger King. Enjoy. Next gift card.
Taco Bell.
Sophia VanLeuven. Have fun and congratulations. Next gift card.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Back to Dunkin'. Camila Tascon going to Dunkin'. Congratulations, Camila. All right, we're getting down there. I think we only have a few more gift cards. Where are we going next?
Starbucks.
Another Starbucks. Home of the pink drink, one of my daughter's favorites. Erin McDonough going to Starbucks. What's up next?
Burger King.
Back to baby. Cole Herman, Burger King. Have fun. Congratulations. Next gift card.
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell again. Sounds like a party at Taco Bell. Domenic Damato going to Taco Bell. What's the next one?
Dunkin' Donuts.
I could use one of those right now. Richard Kievit going to Dunkin'. Enjoy. Next one.
Taco Bell.
The bell. Nicole Charuka, Taco Bell. Have fun. Enjoy. And
Our last card, Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin', who will be the final winner on the wheel? Sebastian Castro Reynoso. Congratulations, Sebastian. And congratulations to all of our winners.
We only had 20 gift cards to give out. We are so proud of all of you who've been working hard and showing up. We want you to know that we see you and we appreciate you. Listen for your names.
Congratulations, Sophia Alicia, Tom Amorosi, Lucas Barrick, Abigail Blaine, and Cora Brennan.
Congratulations, Noel Capasso, Megan Calkin, Celeste Castro, Joe Campoli, Ariana Carlucci.
Congratulations, Aaron Lens, Mariana Cova Gomez, Roberto Cruz, Julia Crafton, and Drew Ebbinghausen.
Congratulations, Michael Ivanic, Brianna Eustace, Ava Duffy, Zach Ezzo, and Jared Flores.
Congratulations, Jack Foco, Jacob Gelfand, Adriana Coolsby, Ryan Groves, and Skylar Hammer.
Congratulations, Caitlin Harrigan, Nick Heisenberg, Tyler Haycoop, Patrick Kaminsky, and Dan Kim.
Congratulations to Emily Klump, Owen Lowry, Jack Lanning, Jamie Lefort, Samantha Lumpkin.
Congratulations, Kaylee Manasso, Bailey Mann, Helen Matt McGrogan, and Kaylee McMahon.
Congratulations, Zach Mountain, Mackenzie Nicholas, Noah Ottamanelli, Amanda Rode, Albion Rossi.
Congratulations, Ryan Chupon, Gabby Serpinski, Jack Stauffer, and Grace Tavares. Oh, and Annabella Tosi.
Congratulations, Sophie Vanderbeck, Sydney Van Tassel, Maya Vergalito, Sophia Vigiletti, and Aiden Wasberg. In addition, Noah Wells, Caitlin White, and Owen Young. Congratulations, everybody.
So thank you all for coming. Please keep up all the hard work. And if you need any help or any assistance anyway, just reach out to one of us. So that concludes our assembly. Have a happy holidays and a wonderful break, and we'll see you all again soon. Thanks for coming.